So welcome back to day 24. In this lecture will be very interesting. I am sure that you will enjoy this lecture because you will be building some small project in this class, and for this you must know what is the library and all. Okay, so we have covered a lot if you see till now, and you must be completely okay with oops and all those concepts right now, right? So much fun we had learning that, and it was not at all boring, I feel. I tried to make it as interesting as possible, but if you have anything to say or any doubts, you can please message in the group, and we'll be really happy to help you out. Okay, so in today's class we will be, first of all, before going ahead with this class, I want you all to know what is a library, what is oops and all. Okay, so after that this will make more sense to you. You will understand it in more better way. What we are going to study is one more library we are going to study, and in next few classes we'll be studying lots of libraries, like we'll be studying about MySQL connector, we'll be studying about tkinter, how do you build graphical user interface, how to build register forms, how to connect to database, and all this kind of stuff. Okay, this class we are going to just play around with Turtle library. So let's open my VS Code, and I have this two folder, day 24 code and notes, and let me open my terminal and go inside the code folder. If you just see right now here, I am inside day 24 folder. This is my terminal. Okay, and I'm inside my day 24 folder. So how do I go inside a different folder? CD, change directory, code, and right now I'm inside code folder. Okay, so I'll create a file now here, Python, inside this I want to create a file, right? So let's open this folder. See here, if you click on this arrow will point downwards. That means you are now inside this folder. Inside this folder I'll open a file, I'll create a new file, which is, let me call it as maybe turtle.py. Okay, perfect. So see here, this file is there inside the code folder. Okay, fine. So nothing much is there in this file right now, so let's go and explore this Turtle library. What is this? So I'm just typing Python Turtle. What is this Turtle library, you must be wondering about. So this is actually a library which is used to create some designs like this. Okay, very beautiful library. You can create lots of stuff with this library. This is just for fun. Okay, so like see here, this is an amazing. Turtle can draw shapes using programs that repeat say simple moves. Okay, so Turtle is a graphics library. So what is the use of this Turtle library? It is a graphics library which is used to create some designs and all. Okay, so whatever you want to create with this Turtle library, whichever kind of designs, you can create that design. Okay, so the Turtle graphics is a very popular library introducing programming for kids. Okay, this is just to play around, I told you, right? So just to play around with this library, just to create some funny designs and all. Okay, so that's cool, super cool. So imagine a robot turtle starting from 0.0 axis xy. Okay, so consider your screen, whatever is there, right? So this is the screen, right? And this axis is actually called as x-axis, and this axis is actually called as y-axis, correct? So you can imagine that turtle is actually a kind of turtle or a robot which is trying to move over this x-axis and y-axis inside on the screen. Okay, so wherever you want to move it, you can move it. You can imagine that this point is basically 0, 0. Okay, this is y-axis, this is x-axis, and this point is 0, 0. So let's say if you want to basically move this turtle from here to this point, maybe to this point. Okay, so what you will do, you will basically maybe give x value as some 20 and y value as 20, and then it will come and reach here. Okay, I hope that is basically making sense. So I'll just explain you on my board, just 1 minute. Okay, so let's come back here. We are on day 24. What we are trying to explore? We are trying to explore the Turtle library. What is the use of this library? This is actually a graphics library which is used to create some designs or graphics. Okay, used to create some designs or rangoli or graphics. Okay, so you can do lots of stuff in Python. This is just to play around. Okay, you will not be actually using it, but just to have fun with Python. So how you can imagine that? You can imagine that this is your screen, this is your screen, okay, and we call this axis as x-axis. This is your laptop screen, okay, this is as y-axis of your laptop. You can imagine that this point is actually 0, 0, right? Coordinate system, you already know that. So if you want to move this turtle, you can imagine this dot, whatever is there, right? Let's make it change. Let me change the color. This dot, let us imagine that this is a robot, okay, and this robot, you can move this robot wherever you want to move. Let's say if I want to move this robot here at this place, how will you move it? You will make x value as 0 and maybe y value as something like 5, and it will go here, okay. So if we plot this 1, 2, maybe 3, maybe 4 and 5, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If this is the coordinate system, then you can just move it like this. If you want to move it somewhere here, if you want to move this robot somewhere here, what you will do? You will maybe give this point as 4, 4. 4, is the this is the point, so you will move the turtle robot towards 4, 4 point, so it will move it there, okay. So let's say if you want to draw something, let me consider this is the screen. If you want to draw a triangle, what you will do? What you will do? First of all, you will basically ask the robot to move to this point. Then you will actually ask the robot to move basically in the forward direction, maybe at an angle of 45 degree. And then you will ask the turtle, wait here, stop here, come back from here in the reverse direction, stop here, take right from here in this direction. So all these directions, whatever are there, right, you can give in turtle library. In which direction you want that robot to move, all that things you can do with turtle library, okay. Let's do and see one simple thing. Let's see some functions first of all, okay. So first of all, they have told you should basically first of all import turtle. Let me import turtle first of all. Very simple. Import turtle. We have discussed all the different ways to import any library in Python, right? So however you want to import, you can import import turtle as maybe t. You can do like this, or you can do only import turtle, or you can import only a specific class from that particular library. Import turtle, give the command now turtle.forward, and it moves on the screen 15 pixels in the direction it is facing. Perfect. So let's try to do turtle dot I can do, or I can do something like this, import turtle, and then I can write turtle dot this library whatever we have imported, turtle turtle dot forward. They are saying you can tell it to move forward in forward direction 15 pixels, so it will start moving in forward direction in whichever direction it is basically moving, okay. So that is what they have told here. Draw, that will draw a line, okay. Let's see, let's run and see this, what will happen. Python turtle.py, import turtle has no okay, sorry, turtle.forward, it should be forward. Perfect, looks good. Let's run it. Turtle has no attribute forward, okay, we made some mistake. Import turtle they have told, and then write turtle.forward, turtle.right, turtle.left. Did we make some mistake? It is correct. Import turtle.forward. What it is saying? Attribute module. Turtle has no attribute forward. Okay, so this is actually a built-in library which comes in Python, so you don't have to actually install it, I feel. So nothing to worry about installation, it will be automatically installed. Is an extended implementation, Python distribution 2.5. Okay, no issues, but why is it not working for me? Turtle.forward, turtle.position. You need to create a turtle object or what? We have it here. Okay, let me do one thing. Tutorial. Go and search it. Turtle. Okay, so I'll just copy paste this code right now. Okay, we'll come back to this code, but just to check if everything is working right or not. Color is not defined. Begin field is not defined. Even forward is not defined, so I think we have to install the what. How do you install any library? You already know. You do it pip install turtle, and that's it. It will install it for you. Come on, what is the problem here going on? Let's check. Name turtle is not defined on line 4. You need to create an instance of turtle on it. Okay, got it. I was thinking about that. Okay, so whenever we import a library, right? So first of all, let's remove all this code. First of all, import the library. Import turtle. Okay. Charger. Everything is fine right now, so let's first of all import once again turtle. Import turtle. You can import it as T also. Okay, no problems. Then once we actually import any library, you have seen a common syntax that we create an object, right? Create an object or an instance, whatever you want to call it, object of the class turtle, which you have imported. Okay, you have actually imported a class turtle and you need to create an object of that. Why you need to create an object of that? Because you want to access all the functions that are available inside the class turtle. And what is an example for the function that is available inside the class? Forward. See here, all these are the functions that are available inside the class. Okay, like we have turtle.forward, turtle.backward, turtle.right, turtle.left. If you want to move that robot, okay, remember the robot which I talked. If you want to move that robot towards right, towards left, towards forward, towards backward, towards what speed, all these things, to which position you want to go, to which degree you want to move it, everything you can write. Okay, so let's create a turtle object. Object is equals to turtle. This is how we create an object, right? So perfect, we have now we can do T dot this object. This is the object name T, object name is T, and now you should do T dot whatever functions are available inside the class that you can access. If you want to check, I'll just right click on this and I'll go here, and now you can see this is the documentation. All the code is there here. If you see right now here, all the different functions you will find here, okay, that are available. So let me check if forward function is there. See here, imagine a robot turtle starting from 0.x in xy plane. After an import turtle, give it the command turtle.forward 15 pixels, and it will move on the screen 15 pixels. That's super cool. So there must be a function that is forward that is available here. Yes, okay. Lots of functions are there. Okay, so here this is the function which we are trying to call. This is an inbuilt function already written by someone else. Okay, so the way you call it is actually by passing some distance, how much distance it has to move forward. Let's go to our code. Turtle object we created. Now we'll do turtle.t dot forward, and I want it to move to 15 pixels. Let's run this code and see how does it look. Python file name.py, very simple, turtle.py, and it should run. Module object turtle is not callable. What is the issue? Let me install it and see once again. Pip install turtle. Requirement already satisfied. Okay, so let's check what this error is. You should copy the error. If you want to anytime debug any error, you should copy the error, paste it on internet, and one website will open which is called as Stack Overflow. Okay, so this website will have all the answers of your error. What is the issue? We'll just try to see. Okay, this is the question that has been asked by someone else who had got the error. Okay, because there is a chance that whatever error you have got, already someone must have faced that error, and it must have been asked on Stack Overflow, and people must have already answered it also. So here they are telling some answers, 13 answers are given, but this question is related to something else. Socket library. Here socket is a module containing the class socket. Put socket, you need to do socket dot socket. Okay, so I forgot something. Okay, so it was not related to our library turtle, but the way he had written the answer, from that I got to know. Okay, you should write import turtle, and now write turtle. From this library turtle, you just call this class turtle and create an object t. That's it. And now, okay, sorry, now it should run. Turtle is an object, is not callable. Okay, I think this t is capital, maybe. Most probably it turtle. Is this correct? Turtle. Okay, so let's check. This is related to socket library. I don't want related to socket library, so I want it to be related to turtle. So let me do one thing. Okay, let me go and basically check a simple example. Import turtle. Now you can access all the methods. First, you need to create a dedicated window where you can carry out each of the drawing, and we can do it by initializing a variable get screen. Okay, that looks good. Turtle.main loop. Okay, got it. Turtle object, and then you can do forward, and then you can do main loop. Okay, so we forgot something, which is actually to run this whole program. You should actually type turtle.main loop. Okay, this is what we forgot, and this t is, I think, capital. Module turtle has no attribute turtle. Okay. It is correct. This is what we have written. turtle turtle.turtle. Is my spelling wrong? turtle, correct? What is the issue then? Let me try to copy this and see how whether it works or not. Imported turtle library, then created a turtle object. Okay, so you know turtle is a class which we are calling. So again, from where did I understood why? You might be asking few questions like why you should write like this itself, and how should I understand? We should write like this, we should write turtle.turtle, or we should write only turtle here. How should I understand? Okay, you should understand by reading it. Now how did I come to know? See here, okay, I could have directly written the program, but I did not do so because this is not how it works in real world. Okay, so most of the classes you see, everything will be prepared first in advance itself, and as it is, that code will be written which has been already written by someone else and kept already and tested and all. Okay, so you will not be able to understand the real problems that will happen if that way it has been done. Okay, so I have not written anything else in advance. I am searching in front of you itself on the online, trying to see what works, what not, and trying to learn from that itself. Okay, this is how your process will be there. This is how you will learn. So let's try to check first of all whether it is running or not. There is something wrong. Let me check this one. What's my Python version? Python. Come on. Exit this guy. Okay, so let me check first of all what this error is. Don't understand attribute error, turtle has no attribute. Okay, so this is what I think even we are getting the error. What is the issue? Change your file name with something else. Oh, sorry. You should not, whenever you're using a turtle library, you should not name your file as turtle. I was thinking about this, but it's fine. When I was naming it at the start, I thought to give it a different name, but I thought it would work. So that's fine, but we got to learn something new, right? So if I could have done this everything start itself and came, then you could have not understood it. Never ever name the library name with the file name. So for example, if you're using a library request, okay, and if you're importing it, import request, then don't name the file as also requests. Okay, I hope you got the point, right? Whichever library you're importing, never give the same name as your file name. So because why is that? Because maybe already that file name is given by used by the library, whichever files are there inside that library, right? So even they must have given the same name, so it is creating a little bit confusion. So when you're executing the program, so that's why you should not do that. So I'm importing this library turtle, and let me give this a name as turtle, maybe program, turtle program.py, and let's run it, and now it should run, I feel. Exit मारो इसको, और we have Python turtle program.py, and boom, super cool, we got it. Okay, so this arrow what you see is, that is the robot which I was talking about. Okay, so that is the robot which starts moving from this point. So actually the sorry, 1 minute, where is that one? Yes, okay, the center point is not this corner. Okay, the center point is exactly the screen's center. Okay, I'm really sorry, I think here I told that the center is actually here, so center will not be here. If you see the turtle, you will understand that the center is not here. The robot will start moving from here. So at the starting, the robot will be here. Now it can move in any direction like this. Okay, very simple. At the starting, the turtle will be in the center. Perfect. So what is the use of this now? So what have we written here? Okay, let's do remove all this. First of all, import turtle. Import turtle, very simple. After importing turtle, create a turtle object. How do you create a turtle object? Let's give an object name, call it T, or whatever name you want to give, that you can give T, and then whatever library you have imported, right? Turtle, turtle turtle dot turtle, you write, and that's how, yes, come on, turtle. Okay, that's how you create a object. So this T is the object which has access to all the functions that are available inside the turtle class. How did I understand? Went online and checked. See, here I came to know, there's a documentation here. Here also you came to know that you should create a turtle object. Somewhere it was been written here. Okay, fine. So here it is. Now we have, now T has access to all the functions. So if we do T dot forward, how did I understand whether there is a forward function or not? Here it is. They have told turtle dot forward you can do. Okay, so why I'm not writing turtle now? Because here already I have created an object and stored in this variable T. So I'm writing T dot forward, or you can check this example also at Java point. They have actually created an object and stored everything in T variable. So they are doing T dot forward, T dot backward, or else they could have done turtle dot, whatever name you give here, right? So if I give the name as tur, you should write tur dot forward. Maybe I wanted to move 15 pixels, and last you should write turtle dot main loop, which will actually display the whatever you have drawn, right? That will actually display it on the this one, turtle dot main loop, display it on the screen. So let's close this one, previous one. Let's run it once more. Boom, we got it. Is actually moved. See here, it might be not visible for you. Let me increase this one to maybe 100, and now just see, from center it will start, the robot will move from center. Here it has moved 100 pixels. Okay, so if you want to change the direction, what you will do, you will do let's say if you want to move this turtle towards downwards now, so it is just like the robot is facing towards east, and you want to move it downwards. Move it downwards means what? You actually have to move it right side. So turtle dot right, maybe you want to move it by 90 degree, so I'll just say 90 degree, and then after moving it by 90 degree, I want it to still again move forward by 100 pixels. Let's do it and see how it will move now. It will first of all, see here, it first of all started from here 0.0, then moved 100 pixels like straight, and then took a 90 degree turn and again moved 100 pixels. Wow, super cool, right? So if you want to draw a box, how will you do it? What will be the program for that? Let's say if you want to draw the box like this, the turtle starts from here, right, from the center, you know it. So let's say you want to move it 100 pixels, again take a turn here, maybe 100 pixels, you want to draw a square, again take a turn here 100 pixels, and you want to go back again here 100 pixels distance. This is the 100 pixel distance. How will you write the code? So first of all, you will write this forward 100 pixels, then take a turn, right side turn, and then move again forward. So turn means what? Okay, see, the arrow is pointing this side. Turn means 90 degree turn means what? The arrow will start pointing this side. Now the arrow will point like this. Okay, that's it. Turn means it will not move forward. Turn means the arrow's direction will change. That's it. Arrow means robot. So now again turtle dot forward, again you will do forward 100 pixels. It will come here in this direction, it will be standing here. Now what you want to do? You want to turn it. Which direction you want to turn it? Towards this side, where this is actually west, this is north, this is south, this is east. Okay, and if you want to turn it towards west, in which direction you will move it, right or left? So I think this is, just imagine you're standing like this facing towards south, then you should move towards left side, right? So this is left and this is right, so move towards left at 90 degree, it will move here. Okay, so that is how we have to write it. Let's go and do it, and it will do here also. Here also it will take a turn. Okay, let's go and write it. Let's remove all this. Okay, we want first of all turtle go in forward direction for 100 pixels. So tur dot forward, how much you want to move forward? 100 pixels you want to move. Okay, great. Turtle will move in forward direction 100 pixels. Now you want to do, now you want to take a turn. Which direction turn you want to take? Just notice here, turtle is pointing like this. Now turtle is actually pointing like this. You want to take a right turn if you want to do, go downwards, right? So take a right turn, because this is actually left, this is actually right. Turtle dot right, how much degree you want to take a turn? 90 degree I want to take, because I want to form a square. Turtle dot right, yeah, come on, right, 90 degree, yes, perfect. Now again ask the turtle to move forward. How much? 100 pixels. Turtle dot forward, again 100 pixels. Come on, yes. Now turtle has reached where? Guess where turtle has reached? First of all, it went from here to here, took a turn, then came from here till here. Now it has to take one more turn. Which direction turn? Left side. 90 degree left side turn, and then again move 100 pixels. See, turn means it will just move like this. Okay, point. Turn means only direction will change. This direction it was facing like this. Now the direction will become like this. But to move it forward, you will have to write turtle dot forward. See, when you change the direction at this point, right, the direction was like this. Now if you change the direction to 90 degree, the direction will become like this, because see the angle here, 90 degree. Okay, now the direction is changed like this. Doesn't mean the turtle will move forward. If you want to move the turtle from here to this point, you will have to write turtle dot forward, move the turtle in forward direction. Okay, don't tell me this is reverse. Okay, don't think like that. See the arrow of that. Okay, so if the arrow is pointing like this, then this side means forward, this side means what? Reverse. Very simple, because the arrow is pointing like this, you are standing seeing that side. If the arrow is pointing like this, Now this side will become forward because the turtle is trying to move in this direction. This is the forward direction now, and this side will become reverse direction. Okay, so forward and reverse will completely depend upon the direction in which it is standing. So let's go here, move the turtle towards left, dot left 90 degree. Come on, 90 degree you move it. After moving it 90 degree, go forward 100 pixels. After going to 100 pixels, then you will have to take one more right turn. This one here, it will be pointing like this. Now you will have to move to upwards, right? So you will take left turn or right turn. This is your left, this is your right, so you will have to move like this. It will start pointing like this now, right side. So you will have to take a right turn at 90 degree and then again move forward and stop here. Main loop will just display it. Okay, so turtle dot right, all this kind of stuff, turtle dot forward 100 pixels, and then we have turtle dot again right. Come on, right 90 degree. Oh shit, man, 90 degree, and then we have turtle dot forward again 100 pixels. That's it, and we should see a square. Oh, we saw something else. Okay, so maybe we did something wrong. So we did left right somewhere. It started moving here, then I told it to take right side. Yes, it took right side. Then after making it towards right side, it came forward also, but after that it took the turn in opposite direction. Okay, so it has to take here some other turn or what? It took right, it came forward. It actually has to maybe take a right turn here. I did something wrong or what? And maybe here it has to take left turn. 1 minute, we'll try to analyze that. Okay, okay, right turn, sorry, everywhere right turn. I think I got messed up with the I'm sorry, you must have already figured it out, the mistake, I feel. So actually it is a right turn everywhere, not a left turn. Okay, sorry. Let's try to do it once more. Turtle is here. Turtle, go forward direction. How much? 100 pixels. Yes, turtle is pointing this words now. What to do? Ask the turtle to take right turn. Yes, it will take. See, if you just stand like this, facing this side, you stand, and then you understand. Then you will understand which direction you should move, left side or right side. If you want to go down, you will understand that you should go towards right direction. You will take a right turn here. Right turn here, it will point like this now. Now ask the turtle, go forward, man, 100 pixels. Now you have to take a turn. Now if you are pointing like this, now tell me which is the left side, which is the right side. If you are pointing like this is the right side, this is the left side. Okay, so what you will do, you will ask the turtle to take a right turn. Yes, took a right turn, man. Now ask the turtle to move 100 pixels again. Yes, move. Is it pointing like this now? Yes. Which is the right, which is the left? If you are facing towards this direction, this is your right, this is your left. So ask it to take a right turn so that it will move upward. Right turn. Now it will be pointing like this. Now it will now you tell it to go again 100 pixels forward. That's it. Okay, very simple, and you must be able to do it on your own. We have done it. Okay, so that is how it will work. You can move forward, backward, lots of directions which you want. You can basically move it. Okay, you can draw a circle like this. Okay, let's check like this. Turtle and turtle dot circle. Okay, so if you want to draw a circle, you have just like, I'll just comment out this. Okay, so I'll just write here, this code is just to draw a box, draw a square. Okay, now let's try something else. Draw a circle. Draw a circle. How to draw a circle? Very simple. Tur dot circle. Circle function is already available inside it. And how much radius circle you want? Let's say 100 radius circle you want. Draw it 100 radius circle, and it should draw a circle. Superb. This looks super cool, right? And this is why Python is fun. Okay, because there is a lot of automation which you can do. You can fill the circle also like this. So if you want to fill color inside that circle, see here, you have a dot. Okay, so this is not filling color, it is actually drawing a dot. Okay, so if you want to draw a dot, I hope you got the point, right? So draw a dot. Draw a dot means what, Gautam? Very simple. See, this is a dot, this is a dot, right? Even this can be a dot. Yes, this also is a dot. What is this? This is also a dot. This is also a dot. But only what is the difference between all? Radius is difference. Correct? Very simple. Draw a dot. Let's do third dot. Maybe 30. So 30 radius dot I want. Let's run it. Looks good. Looks good. Okay. So there are lots of stuff. If you can just see here, we can give a background color, turtle dot background color. You can do background color red. You can display an image also. See here, turtle dot bg pick background pick, and give the path to an image. That is how you can display the image. Just write R means raw string. Okay, this as it is. Raw means as it is. Bg pick, if you want to have a background color or picture, you can put a background image of yours, and then on that you can draw maybe something. That is also super cool. You can adjust the screen height and width, the screen whatever is coming, right, the box whatever is coming. You can say turtle dot screen size, and you can set the canvas width and the height of the box and the background color. See, this is the box which is coming, right? So you can adjust the height and the width of this box if you want. You can give a title to that. See here, title if you give, it will come here, my turtle program. So you can start there. You can give pen color. Let me try it. Fill color you can do. Let's do it. Oh, we can change the color of this turtle like this. So this looks super cool. Turtle size, we can give turtle size. Okay, it's a 3-dimensional size x, y, z. Okay, so t dot size, and you can say t dot fill color. So let's use fill color and see. Tur dot fill color. Let's say 255. I think we have to give a color of color like this. Let's say give me yellow. Let's run this. Yeah, turtle color has changed to yellow now. Super cool. Okay, so you can use this fill color to change the color of the turtle. Looks good. I think pen color is there and fill color is there, right? So t dot, let's check. Pen color blue. There are two properties are there. One is pen color, one is fill color. Okay, so pen color basically means the border, okay, and fill color basically means the turtle's inside color. Okay, fill color means turtle's inside color. If you notice here, fill color is blue and pen color is yellow. Pen color means border of that turtle. Okay, border and inside color. Okay, there is a t dot color also. You can adjust the color. That looks good. T dot color. Okay, let's do t dot color. 2 dot color. Let's make it maybe pink. Okay, and ask it to now draw a square. Let's try. Oh, pink. You noticed the pink color, the drawing has happened in pink color, right? So super cool. And if you see, the turtle color is actually pink now, right? Pink, sorry, turtle color is not pink. I think this must have overwritten it, this one. Let me write this. This pink color must have overwritten, I feel. We studied the concept of overriding, right? When one function can override the other. Yes, that is what I feel. Okay, so let me just comment this out, remove this out. Okay, we can do lots of stuff, draw such mountains, super cool. Okay, so you can say t dot begin dot fill. You can draw a shape and forward, backward, all this kind of stuff. Okay, speed you can adjust, how fast is it moving, so something like this you can draw. Looks super cool, right? So you can draw lots of stuff. Let me do something else now. Okay, so let's say I'll start a for loop. For I in range 0 to 100, let's say, by a step of 2. Okay, that means step of 2, you know, right? This for loop we have already discussed. Step of 2 basically means that it will keep on skipping the number 2 to numbers. Okay, so it starts from 1 0, then it will skip 1 and 2 and it will go to 3. Okay, or if you don't want this, let's say don't want this. Okay, turtle dot forward, turtle dot take a 90 degree of I. Now what will happen, see, and I will just say tur dot maybe we can do color as green. Let's check what will this give us, what will this give us. Let's check. Oh, something interesting it is doing. Okay, just check how beautifully it will do. Let's see what it will actually create. Oh, super cool, right? So it has created this design, so you can modify this things and all. Let me give a step of 2 and see what will happen. If I skip the number like this and all, what will happen? Or if I give the angle 30 degree, let's give 20 degree. Every time you should take a right turn of 20 degree. Okay, and you should keep on moving in forward direction with a distance of I. Let's check. Oh, super cool, right? Super cool. So you can adjust those parameters and you can try to play around with this, right? So it's super cool. You can change the colors, you can change the background color too. Let me give tur dot bg color and let's say make it maybe black. Let's try out with black. BG color is not there. I spelled it wrong, I feel. What is the name of this background color? Pen fill color, pen size, speed. Okay, here it's there, background color. Turtle dot bg color is there, right? Where is the background one? Add a bg pick. Yes, bg pick is there. I don't want bg pick, I want bg color. Turtle dot bg color. Okay, this is coming from turtle. See here, not from t dot, it is coming from turtle. Okay, so this turtle what we have imported right from there, not tur dot. So tur dot background color black. Okay, super cool. Just check this out. I think we can change the width of that. Let's check if we can change the width. Come on, width of the this one. Speed also we can change. Okay, see here, turtle dot speed you can do normal, fast, slow, fastest, fast, normal, slow, slowest. You can do that stuff. Where is the place where I can change the width of this? Wow, this looks super cool too. Where I can change? Wow, this is super cool, man. This is super cool. How they have done it? Created a background color black. They have given a pen size. Okay, so I can give pen size. That is what I was looking. Width of that. Okay, so tur dot. I think it is tur dot. Pen size maybe 4. I hope it is tur dot. Okay, t dot pen size or turtle dot pen size. Okay, you are turtle dot pen size. Pen size, no. Turtle dot pen size 4. Nothing has changed much. Turtle dot speed is there, while through is there, for I in range 6, for colors in this colors, turtle dot colors, turtle dot circle, draw, keep on drawing circles and keep on going towards left. Okay, so we can draw some shapes also, I feel. Wow, this is super cool, right? So they are using lots of functions like forward, right, and lots of stuff, and speed. Oh, super cool heart, right? So how can you draw this? Left curve, find range 200, right, take forward, fill, left forward, and fill. Okay, So see these designs, they are super cool. Okay, so you can just play around with this, you can have fun with this, nothing much, but you can just have fun, okay, with this. That's what I can say. There are lots of functions here. If you see, circle is there, dot is there. Let's do one thing. Okay, let's say for every time you go, keep on drawing a dot. Let's see what it will create. Keep on doing a dot of 20 pixels, and let me fill this dot. I think it is fill color. Let's check what it will do. Oh, you saw, every time it is creating, keep on creating a dot. Looks super cool, right? So what is the assignment is, I want you all to do a unique design by using for loop. Maybe you can put this in, maybe you can put maybe one more for loop over there. After this, maybe you might want to put one more for loop, which is maybe running in reverse direction from 100 to 0, -1 means reverse direction, and it is actually doing something like this: green, yellow. Let's change the color from green to maybe pink, and this one to be maybe also pink, let's say. Okay, so just go and read a few things, and I think that should see here. Pen, 1 minute, I'll tell you what do I mean. Now it is coming in reverse direction. Okay, it will get smaller and smaller and smaller and smaller. Okay, so if you see, the arrow color is also pink. Super cool, right? So it is looking super cool. Arrow color is also pink, right? So arrow color, if you see, arrow color is pink. So arrow color means what you will use? Fill color. Okay, so fill color means actually you are trying to change the color of the arrow, and color means actually you are trying to change the color of the line which is drawn by the turtle. Okay, changing the color of the line which is drawn by turtle, you will use color, and fill color means you will change the color of the arrow. You can do this stuffs. Now let's do something else. Okay, let's say for I in maybe range 0 to 100. Okay, and let's say I want to keep on taking a right turn. Dot left, let's say we want to take a left of I. Okay, and then we want to draw one more for loop in range 0 to 100. Dot right I. Let's see what it will produce. I've just written some for loops, and I don't know what kind of design it is going to give me. Let me actually change the color first of all. Dot color pink. Doesn't go sound good. Red. Okay, it is keeping on rotating at this same point. Okay. So nothing much is happening. It is keeping on rotating at the same time, because starting 0 it will be there, and then again this will keep on. So this will run for a longer time. This will be again 0 to 100, right turn it will keep on taking, then 1 2 3. So you will see the effect after some time. Okay, I think you should see it after some time, but okay, this will take a lot of time now because 2 for loops are there in between. So let's try to do this one. Okay, I'm telling it to take left and right, so obviously it is going to take left turn. It is not going to move anywhere, right? So that's, I'm sorry for that. Dot maybe forward I pixels, and then I want to do dot reverse I pixels. Okay, let me give I, this is J and G. These are inner for loops. Okay, let's wait for what happens here. I think it is backward, right? Not reverse. Backward of J. Okay, let's check what will happen. Let's wait for something interesting to happen. Let's see. So it has not created that good design which I wanted. Okay, it will keep on drawing now circles, I feel. Okay, so I think it will create something really fun, it will create really something interesting, but we'll have to wait for a longer time, I feel, because 2 for loops are there, so it will keep on running, so it will take some maybe time. Super cool, right? I hope you had fun in this class where we learned lots of stuff, and your assignment is basically the project what you have to create. We created lots of project in this class also, right? So we saw so many different types of things. Your assignment will be basically to create something on your own. Okay, so your assignment will be, I repeat, you will have to create something on your own. Okay, so any design, there should be no copy of the design. I must not find a copy of that. You should create any design which you want to create on your own, and that will be the assignment which will be there. Okay, so I will stop this right now because it is going to take lots of time, because 2 for loops are there. It is going to first of all move 1 2 0 here, again it is going to move 100 here, then when it will become here, it will going to become again 100 here. I have to actually increase the turtle speed, and I can change the colors also. If you want, we can change the colors. When it comes to down, you should draw a different color. We can do dot color maybe, or this should be of different color. You can do for that. What you can do is you can create a list colors, maybe is equal to green, yellow, maybe white. Maybe you want pink, you can bring pink. Maybe you want blue, you can bring in blue. Maybe you want orange, you can bring in orange, purple, red. So whichever you want, that you can get, and I will keep on changing the color. So once it comes here, I will say that let me change every time I want a different color. Okay, so what I can do is, let's say I will just say every time the dot color, first of all set the color turtle, turtle dot color will be actually the index that is there here. I will reduce the dot color. Okay, so for this one, dot color, I can give colors of I like this, but it will not work. Colors of I, because it will not work, because I will be greater than 6 here, and here we have only I think 6 7 elements, so it will give me an error here. Let's not use that logic. What we can think of is I want it to have every time a different index here. Okay, so for that I will run up another for loop for maybe C in colors, okay, which will run 6 times, and I will write colors of C. Okay, so it will run only the length of colors here. So, and here I want to change here, and let's say for this for loop I will make colors of C, maybe. Okay, and I want to change the speed of the turtle man. So how can I change the speed? Where is the function? Speed, right? Speed. See here, all these functions, what they will do, everything is written here. Just refer here. Okay, forward, backward, go to, you can directly jump from one place to another place. That all things are there here. Just go here and just try to click on this function, and you will understand what is there. Okay, where is the speed one, man? I saw speed, right? So where was that? Yes, speed was, if you give fastest is 0. Okay, turtle dot speed. This one, just will say here my turtle speed should be fastest, that is 0. Yeah, because here it is written that 0 means fastest. Okay, perfect. So let's try to quit this one and run this one. Let's see what happens. Something happened. A list indexes must be in integers. Okay, colors of C for I in colors. Okay, so for I in, actually it should be in length of colors. length of colors. Int object is not written for I in for I in range, length of colors. Okay, so something is happening or no? Which is the first color? Green. Next one is yellow. I'm hoping that something is happening here. I'm feeling that something must be happening. So should we wait? Colors of C, first of all, green color is there. It will keep on doing this work. It will take some time, I feel. Is it running slow? Is 0 means fastest or slowest? Speed 9. Customizing. If speed is assigned to 0 means no animation will take place. Sorry, I thought 0 is there means fastest. No animation will take place. Okay. Can vary from 0 to 10. No argument is passed. Current speed and is mapped to actually. Let's give the highest speed. Let's give it 10. Sorry, if you give speed as 0, then it is means that no animation will be displayed. Let's give it 10. I hope that 10 means fastest. Hoping. That 10 will be the fastest. Green, yellow. Turtle dot color, colors of C. So colors is here and C is some integer number. I hope you got to know this. Colors of C, what does it mean? Colors of C. C is some integer number from here, from range. Let's say C becomes 0. Colors of 0. Colors of 0 is what? Green. That is how it will work. I think speed is doing some issue, but we have much to. It will take time because we have 2 internal for loops here and 3 for loops are there, so I'm sure that it will take time. I'll reduce this number to maybe only 10 instead of 100. The turtle's color is changing, so it is not becoming big because the size what I have given is very small, but if you notice the turtle's color is changing, pink, white and all this kind of stuff. That is see there, so that is actually an indication that our colors logic is actually working. Purple. I think it became black now, so you are not able to see it. Was the black color given? No. So not black maybe. Did it stop or what? Okay, fine. That's forget about that. But what's more important is I hope you understood. This was just a play around. Okay, this is just to play, nothing else. So I hope you got to know that you will do the assignment. Okay, that's it. I'll see you in the next class.